Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Journey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find trip computer, cargo net, tinted glass, compass. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.